Hello, this is Mrs. Carmeyer, and today we're going to learn the parts of a friendly letter, and you're going to use that information to write your own friendly letter. In a friendly letter, there are 5 parts. You have the date, the greeting, the body, the closing, and the signature. Sometimes we call this date one the heading, and the date is what goes on that line. So whatever the date is, you would write the date. Make sure you capitalize the first letter and put a comma between the day and the year. The second part is called the greeting. That is whom you are writing the letter to. In this example, it's Dear Jane. You have to capitalize both dear and the person you're sending it to and put a comma after the name. The biggest part of your friendly letter is called the body, and that is the meat of your letter. That is what you're going to be writing. The fourth part of the friendly letter is called the closing, and that's where you could sign it love if it was somebody that you knew really well, or if you're writing to a friend, you could say your friend. And you notice that the first word of the closing must be capitalized, and also there is a comma after the last word in your closing. The fifth part is called the signature, and that is where you write your name. So again, in a friendly letter, there are 5 parts: the date or the heading, the greeting, the body, the closing, and the signature. Now, you're going to turn to the writing response page in your packet and look at number 3, and it says to write a letter to a friend about how you spent your day off from school. And be sure to include who you're writing it to. Make sure, again, it's capitalized. You put a comma after their name. And a good thing would be to put at least 4 or 5 sentences into your body. You want to give them something to read. And in the closing, make sure again you have capitalized your closing and put a comma after it and then sign your name. Looking forward to seeing how you spent this day.